So these are the BougeRV parallel connection for your MC4 solar panel, and they work really simply. Over here, you have this end. So you have a positive end and a negative end that will connect to your solar generator, whether it's the EcoFlow power bank or it is EcoFlow power kit or whatever solar input will go into. Then this side here will connect to your solar panel. One pair of positive negative will go to one solar panel right here, and another pair right here will go to the other solar panel. So you're essentially wiring your solar panels in parallel, like this, parallel, right? One solar panel, and then this one will connect to your solar generator, and it provides you with parallel connectivity. And in parallel wiring of solar panels, you will keep the voltage the same, but you will add up the current. And it's always recommended that you only connect same solar panels together, same wattage and same manufacturer, because that way you get the same voltage and the same current, and that will optimize your parallel configuration setup right here. These are very high quality BougeRV solar panel parallel setup connectors, and they do come in a pair like that right there.